On an ordinary afternoon, inside a quiet M-Pesa shop in Kenya, something unexpected happened. A man in a plain black t-shirt walked in. Nothing suspicious, nothing unusual. He looked like any other customer, calm, relaxed, almost invisible. He waited politely, asked a few harmless questions, and kept his eyes focused, not on the shop owner, but on the phone used for transactions. For a moment, time felt normal, but behind that calm face was a plan that had taken time, patience, and confidence. Because this wasn't a random visit, this wasn't an accident, this man had come with a purpose. According to the shop owner, the man pretended to check something on his own phone. He placed it casually on the counter, same size, same color, same model as the M-Pesa phone. And within seconds the human eye could barely catch, the phones were swapped. Just like that. No struggle, no noise, no sign of panic. The man picked up the wrong phone, or should we say, the right phone, the one he came for. And walked out as quietly as he came in. No one suspected a thing. No one imagined anything had gone wrong. Not until minutes later, when over 60,000 shillings was withdrawn from the M-Pesa line. That's when fear turned into shock. That's when shock turned into questions. Questions that still remain unanswered. How did he know the PIN number? How did he move with so much confidence? How did he manage to swap a phone under a CCTV camera with no hesitation, no mistake, no fear of being caught? There are two possibilities, and neither one is simple. Possibility number one, this was an inside job. Someone who knew the shop, someone who knew the owner, someone who had seen the PIN before and shared it with the man. Possibility number two, the man had visited the shop many times before. He watched, he observed, he learned the type of phone used. He memorized the way the shop owner entered the PIN, maybe during a busy moment, maybe during a rush hour, maybe during a conversation. Criminals don't always need high-tech tools. Sometimes they just need patience, timing, and attention to detail. And once he had the information he needed, he bought an identical phone, waited for the perfect moment, walked in like a normal customer, and carried out the swap with the confidence of someone who had practiced the move many times before. This kind of theft isn't new. Reports from different towns in Kenya show similar methods. Thieves pretending to be customers, studying M-Pesa agents, and striking when the moment feels safe. Some pretend to ask for help. Some distract the agent with conversation. Some use fast, well-practiced hand movements to confuse the eyes. But in every case, the result is the same. Money disappears, the agent is left confused, and the thief walks away with a smile that never appeared on camera. The CCTV footage of this particular incident has raised new concerns, not just about the theft, but about how exposed digital money can be when someone is watching. How simple actions, entering a PIN, unlocking a phone, leaving a device on a counter, can open the door to major losses. So what do we learn from this? What should every M-Pesa shop owner, every agent, every customer take from this incident? Number one, never enter your PIN when someone is standing too close. Even a quick glance is enough for someone determined. Number two, never leave your M-Pesa phone on the counter, even for 1 second. A second is all a trained thief needs. Number three, if a customer seems too curious, too observant, or spends too much time near your devices, trust your instincts. safeguard your phone. And number 4, always keep your business environment alert. Because while most customers are genuine, a few come with silent intentions. They don't break in through windows. They don't threaten anyone. They don't cause chaos. They walk in quietly and walk out even more quietly, leaving behind a mystery that only the CCTV camera can explain. This incident is a reminder, a warning, and a lesson. Crime doesn't always look dangerous. Sometimes it looks like a calm man in a black t-shirt walking into a shop with a smile. To all M-Pesa agents across Kenya, stay vigilant, stay alert. Your phone is your business, your lifeline, and your responsibility. Because sometimes danger doesn't come with a weapon. It comes with a phone, a plan, and perfect timing.